going to share some updates with you concerning BCBS 1 and the Learning Management System. Back in August, they changed the dashboard, which you've all seen, and then they also added some new features to your gradebook. There was a letter that was sent home to all parents explaining to them how they could access BCBS 1 and also told them what would be on BCBS 1. There has been a few changes that they've listened to some of the recommendations from teachers. So this is a highlight right here of what's been changed. The main first thing is that the non-graded category within your gradebook has been changed to practice. There's also an IN notification for students and parents, meaning it will pop up on their dashboard saying that they are missing an assignment. There's also the ability for teachers now to print custom reports based on grade codes such as IN or LS. And they've also made it easier for students to resubmit turn-ins. So here is a screenshot of what your dashboard looks like when you're creating assignments within your gradebook. As you notice in here, it has major, minor, and they have practice in here instead of non-graded. So as before we used to have the non-graded, now they have practice, so parents understand that it's still important, and so do students, that they're learning the skills. There is also an IN notification on the student's landing page, their home page, when they log in, so they will now see their grade, and they would also see IN, meaning that they have not turned in something. And then they can click on the grade detail, and it will give them specifics, details about what assignments it was that they have already turned in or what assignments they are missing. The parents landing page also has this is what their home page looks like. They would have their student's name, and again it would say they were missing an assignment. And here is what their landing page looks like when they click into the main part of their child's gradebook. One thing that teachers had asked for is ways to print some assignments. So now you can go into your gradebook and hover over the print area and print where it says print custom code assignments. So you can print things based on what you want. So this is an example of one that was printed for LS and IN. And it shows all the things within the gradebook within the content area which has an IN or LS. There is also a new reports thing that looks different than before. You can hover over on your left hand side of your screen and you can print certain different types of reports. And here has the custom code thing, and when you click it you can then print which ones you want, N, LS, or I'm sorry, IN, LS, or M. And you can print, and this is what it looks like when it comes out. Also, the administrators have the ability to print for schools, for the whole school, some custom code assignments, and also for individual teachers. So the next thing that they wanted to share is that you can change the turn-ins with keeping it open and closed. This is a screenshot of just a basic one. We're saying that they had sent in, opened up a link for turn-in, and right now it's saying that it's open. There's 0 out of 10 students have turned it in. You have ability to resubmit. The teacher can open and close in 2 different places. So now you have it on the left-hand side and also within your options within your assignments. And again, this is showing where you can do it and what it looks like. And then this is a view of what the turn-ins actually look like and what the screen message would say. So this is the student view. She has currently an IN, which you see up here. She has the ability to resubmit where it says turn-ins right here, and it gives you a little summary of what the teacher has done. So this is what it looks like once the student has resubmitted a turn-in. The newest one will turn at the top in the score. So I believe in the past it would erase it, but it now will stay in the system so they could see what the original turn-in was and what the new one is. And this is what it looks like. Again, as I was saying, you can see both. And this shows that it's still open after they've turned things in. And this one shows the grade after the second one that comes in. And now it says she does not have the ability to resubmit the assignment as it is closed because the teacher had left the turn open window for return and open so long. So in other words, kids don't have the whole entire quarter to do it. You give them so much time to do redos, and it comes back in. And this is saying that the assignment is closed again. And this is what the teacher thing says, that there, when you log in, that there's things to be graded. So this is what the teacher's dashboard would be. So I know that this only pertains to some of the grades, like the teachers who give out grades. So play around with it. Let me know if you want any help. I'll be happy to help you. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.